interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Franklin County, Ohio. The child was last seen at 473 South Huron Avenue, Columbus, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2004 white Ford Ranger pickup truck with a Skull and Crossed Rifles sticker and a Pittsburgh Steelers sticker in the rear window and Ohio license plate number HRW1901. The suspect has been identified as Shane Stephen Smith, a 48-year-old white male who is 5 feet 11 inches tall and 200 pounds with brown hair. The abducted child is Mackenzie Hall, a 13-year-old white female with brown hair, last seen wearing a dark gray hoodie, white shoes, and a pink backpack. Please call 1-877-AMBEROH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.